Tuesday on WDSU News This Morning.
We all know the impact of the Gulf oil spill this year, but what about next year?
It's hard to sleep at night. You think about a lot of things.
I'm Rosa Flores, and I talk to local business owners who are facing a critical decision.
This has been one of our greatest challenges.
See why the future of this local industry and the people who depend on it hangs in the balance, and what could happen if they make the wrong decision. Tuesday on WDSU News This Morning.